terrarium. So what is terrarium? So terrarium is a tiny garden. Okay, we all have bottles. So inside the bottle, we're going to create a fairy garden. Is that okay, everyone? Are you all excited? Are you all excited for that? Oh, yes, I am excited too.
First you need sand, right? In my hand we can see here. Can you see? Sand. What's this? Sand. Okay, first we need sand and then plants are drawn in soil. What is this? Soil. Yes, plants are drawn in soil. So we need soil too. Here, soil. Can you see?
Yes.
Okay. Then what else we need? What else you can see here in this garden? Yes, what else? What's inside? What is inside?
Wow.
So many grass. Yes, so many grass.
Yes, of course. Why not? Wow.